I'm Melissa Paris. I've been a club racer, I've raced professionally, I've been a crew chief, and now I'm a team owner. Today we're going to talk about how to install quarter-turn fasteners onto your bodywork. The nice thing about having quarter-turn fasteners or Dzus fasteners is that it's going to really cut down on the number of tools you need to be able to get your bodywork on and off. One thing that makes this job a lot easier is this awesome tool that's available from iONEMOTO, which helps line up all of the holes. It actually makes the job a lot faster. These are the D-ring Dzus fasteners that are available from iONEMOTO. You would have 2 pop rivets, your little D-ring, and it kind of fits in and it does a quarter turn, and then it's very nice and tidy. These D-ring ones are nice because you literally don't need any tools at all once it's installed. The pilot hole situation, it is a little bit of an extra step that I take. Yeah, so that's perfect like that. It's okay if it has a little slack. So when we're ready to do the final install, you'll put this through and you'll push that on, and it'll keep this captive, so it'll never fall all the way out of your bodywork, which is great. So you'll have a little bit of play, which will be nice for helping guide it into its home, but you don't have to worry about losing it. Hold it in place where it's gonna go. I can mark where each of the backing plates for the Dzus fasteners are gonna go. Mark my unibit with a marker. It's really easy to not pay attention and drill to the wrong spot. There it goes. Bam! I like to double check my marks for my other fasteners and make sure I'm still happy with where I've marked them. You now know how nice it is to work on your bike at the racetrack when you don't need so many tools just to get your bodywork off. Hopefully this was a helpful tutorial for you, and we'll see you next time.